Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your device is unlocked and you are signed into your account. Once done, confirm the target app is installed because you need it listed under Accessibility Services. Now open Settings, then tap Accessibility. This is where Android consolidates assistive features. Make sure to keep your device awake during setup to avoid interruptions. From here, you will locate the specific service entry. Don't tap yet. Just be ready to follow the prompts in the next step. Once in Accessibility, scroll to find the app service by name. Apps often group under their package or developer label. Tap the service to view detailed permissions. This explains what the service can control. Toggle the switch to enable it. A confirmation dialog appears. Read the dialog so you understand data or control access, then confirm to grant permission. After enabling, return to the app to complete any in-app setup steps. Make sure to test basic functionality now to verify the service responds. To finish, perform a quick test of the app's accessibility features, gesture, speech, or overlay behavior, so you know it's active. If it fails, first revoke the service and enable it again to reset state. Sometimes a simple toggle fixes permission glitches. Also check battery optimization and overlay or drawover permissions because aggressive power settings can block services. If problems persist, reboot the device and repeat enabling. A single troubleshooting tip. Verify the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.